after a lot of work by the Pakistani authorities, I am glad to say that they have now largely addressed all 34 action items from their combined 2 action plans. The FATF agreed that Pakistan has substantially completed its action plans at a technical level. In the past few months, Pakistan has demonstrated that it is now pursuing terrorist financing investigations and prosecutions against senior leaders of UN-designated terrorist groups, and pursuing money laundering investigations and prosecutions in line with its risk profile. The reforms implemented by Pakistan are good for the stability and security of the country and the region. They will ensure that Pakistan's authorities can more effectively tackle money laundering and funding of terrorist groups. The FATF has now recommended an on-site visit to check that Pakistan's reforms are in place and can be sustained into the future. Pakistan is not being removed from the grey list today. The country will be removed from the list if it successfully passes the on-site visit.